Rihanna from LA to SPYLAND. Ngush Vish, yeah. Siyavuga mind, yeah. Rihanna from LA to SPYLAND. Ngimthatha ngimfake ekhasi, now she understand. Life is a street, lapho sibamba khona plan. From the glamour to the real, manje understand. Palm trees to dusty roads, switch the scene. From Hollywood lights to the kasi routine. It's Lena and Pilo, not a movie screen. She said this kinda real, ngiyayithanda kakhulu, it's clean. Iphuma phansi kodwa ngiphusha phezulu dream. Enkulu in my heart, ifuna yonke akukho half. She vibing with the crew, sengathi uyakhula lapha. SPYLAND energy, manje she feeling the power. From LA to Kasi, siyawela imap. SPYLAND dreams, manje we turn into facts. Bethe uqueen, akukap kule trap. Manje wonke umuntu ndela si rap. From LA to Kasi, feel the bass when it drop. Manje sangana when aiming for the top. Ngeke shime, ngeke stop. SPYLAND get global, we connect non-stop. Manje she cruising the Kasi, riding slow. Taxi rank beats wonke umuntu ye-flow. Abantu bathi ukushisa kakhulu. Global miss local, manje siyenze move. You see the struggle, kodwa haze of pride. Every corner got a story, can't hide. Ngithi lapha siyaphila noma kunzima kanjani. She said this is strength, angikhazi ngibone kanje. Siphakamisa umsindo, let the whole hood hear. Mix la lay vibes nekhaya, bring it right here. Manje phupho liyakhula, yakathatha liya clear, yeah. Kush ne SPYLAND, yeah, the future is near. From LA to Kasi, siyawela imap. SPYLAND dreams, manje we turn into facts. Ngiphethe uqueen, akukap kule trap. Manje wonke umuntu ndlela si rap. From LA to Kasi, feel the bass when it drop. Amazangana when it mean for the top. Kush vins and niggas see me, ngeke stop. SPYLAND get global, we connect non-stop. Rihanna from LA to Kasi SPYLAND. Siyapusha sabi Ngush Vish, forever. Yeah.